In the upcoming Lok Sabha election scheduled for April 26, 2024, Chikkaballapur constituency presents a political battleground between Dr. K. Sudhakar of the BJP and Raksha Ramaiah of the Congress. Historically a Congress stronghold, the constituency faces challenges such as water scarcity, unemployment and inadequate infrastructure, leading to significant migration to nearby urban areas. Despite being close to Bengaluru, rural areas like Bagepalli and Gauribidanur suffer the most. Dr. Sudhakar, a former Karnataka health minister and Vokkaliga community member, aims to secure support from his community, SCs and others, leveraging the baggage of the JDS alliance. Ramaiah, backed by Congress, counts on the party's recent success in the region and his Balija community's influence. With alliances shifting and prominent leaders switching parties, the contest underscores the intricate dynamics of caste politics in the region.